हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। दिस इज श्रेष्ठा गुप्ता एंड आज की वीडियो में बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट डिस्कस करने वाली हूँ, दैट इज बस्टिंग सम ब्यूटी मिथ्स। टाइटल देख के तो आप लोग समझ ही गए होंगे। यस, होता क्या है, वी ऑल आर लाइक suckers for lip balms, makeups, foundation, anything that makes us look good. We believe in things that what people say and we believe them blindly. Yes, it happens. It happens with me. आपके साथ भी होता होगा और ना जाने कितने लोगों के साथ होता है. But some things are really just a myth and we have to break them. We have to break some things. So yeah, I'm going to discuss some beauty myths with you all. So stay tuned. And without any further ado, let's get into the video. Okay. इतना लंबा ब्रेक क्यों? Okay. The first thing is shaving will make your body hair grow back thicker. Oh my god, this is not true. Yes, this is not true in any way. लोग बोलते हैं कि अगर हम शेव कर लेंगे अपने फेशियल हेयर को then they will grow back thicker. That's not a thing यार, मतलब ऐसा नहीं होता है. होता क्या है, हमारे फेशियल हेयर्स जो हम जिन रेजर से यूज़ करते हैं उनको शेव करने के लिए, उनकी ब्लेड्स बहुत ही डेलिकेट होती हैं. ठीक, वो केवल जो टॉप पार्ट होता है, टॉप लेयर होती है, उसको कट करती है. और हमारे फेशियल हेयर की ग्रोथ वैसी नहीं होती है कि दैट हम उसमें ऐसे शेविंग क्रीम करके शेव कर रहे हैं तो दे विल ग्रो बैक थिकर. नो नो नो, इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू हैपन. स्टे रिलैक्स्ड, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. आप शेव करोगे, यू विल फील बेटर इवेंचुअली. ओके. Second thing, pumping your mascara will tend to get you more product. No, pumping it again and again, it will pump some air into your product that will destroy your mascara like forever. And if you are using an expensive mascara, you have to break this myth. Stop pumping it again and again, yaar. Just pump it once, apply it on your eyelashes. That's it. Don't do it again and again. Okay. So the third one is wearing makeup every day is bad for your skin. No. I wear makeup like twice a week. Yes. And that is not affecting my skin in any way. I'm dealing with acne issues and I take care of it. Like yes, I take care of my skin because it is dealing with severe acne issues. That's not making my skin bad, like I'm not getting any pigmentations on my skin. Okay, I have oily skin and I take care of it. You have to use some good products. Just don't use cheap products on your skin. You have to take care of it. आपको देखना है कि आपके स्किन पे कौन से प्रोडक्ट्स सूट कर रहे हैं और कौन से नहीं. You have to stop believing in each and every advertisement कि कुछ भी आ रहा है तो हाँ इसमें तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, let's buy it. No, you have to take care of your skin in that way, that whether it will suit you or not. Okay, so yeah, wearing makeup is not going to affect your skin, but not removing makeup before going to bed is going to affect your skin. And it's going to damage your skin, like it's going to leave a forever mark on your skin. It will make your skin dull, damaged, rough and whatnot. So yeah, before going to bed you have to remove your makeup. Okay. Fourth point is, this is the last point but not least. Okay, certain hair products can eliminate split ends. While they are inevitable, we cannot eliminate them completely. But the real remedy is a haircut. Like we see in ads that some products से कि ऐसा होता है कि ये प्रोडक्ट अप्लाई करिए तो आपके स्प्लिट एंड्स चले जाएंगे, बट इट डजेंट वर्क लाइक दैट. इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू क्योर योर split ends. No, there's no remedy in this entire world that is going to cure your split ends. But the one remedy is haircut. You have to take a frequent haircut if you have split ends. And that's, my dear, that's all for today. If you like my video, please like it, please share with your friends.